एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम लोग खेलने जा रहे हैं एक न्यू हॉरर गेम जिसका नाम है डिटेंशन। बट बिफोर दैट यू मस्ट बी थिंकिंग कि बैकग्राउंड क्यों चेंज हो गया। तो आई एम प्लेइंग ऑन अ लैपटॉप टुडे एंड लैपटॉप के लिए यू नीड अ टेबल एंड चेयर। तो आई जस्ट स्विच माई बैकग्राउंड एंड आई गेस अब मैं बहुत सारी गेम्स खेलने वाली हूँ लैपटॉप पे, बिकॉज आई काइंड ऑफ फिगर्ड आउट कि थोड़ा कुछ समझ आ रहा है मुझे कंट्रोल्स का, एंड आई लव प्लेइंग ऑन लैपटॉप। सो आज हम खेलने जा रहे हैं डिटेंशन, जिसका मैंने सुना है कि दिस इज अ रियली बहुत ज़्यादा डरावनी गेम है। तो लेट्स चेक दिस गेम आउट। आई होप सो यू ऑल आर ऑल्सो गोना लव इट, सो मेक श्योर टू लाइक दिस वीडियो, सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल। नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू आवर वीडियो। ऑल्सो मैं चश्मा भी लगा लूँगी शायद, बिकॉज वैसे मैं डेली ना लगाऊँ बट टुडे माई आईज आर लाइक बर्निंग, तो मैं लगा लेती हूँ। ओके गाइज, वी आर इन द गेम राइट नाउ। यहाँ पे हमारे पास छोटा सा यूजुअल डिस्क्लेमर है एंड देयर इज अ वार्निंग। OMG, I am really scared to play this game. Okay. We can do that. I believe in us. Okay. Oh, कंटिन्यू करने के लिए कुछ खेलना भी तो चाहिए ना. I am playing this now. Start a game and you will use the current save data. Are you sure? कहाँ खेला ये क्या है मैंने? I don't know. एक बार ओपन की थी मैंने. I guess उसका ही लग रहा होगा. It's okay. It's totally okay. I am freaking out because I have heard ये बहुत ज़्यादा डरावनी गेम है. Okay, we are starting with the class. Class, the following material is important. Pay attention. This will be on the final exam. During this period, many provincial military leaders. Okay, she's their teacher and she's teaching right now to the students. Oh, I guess ये हम सो गए. Oh, वो कुछ पढ़ाई का है तो I'm not gonna speak. Look, it's instructor by. Okay. Hi, instructor by. Sir, what do you want? Miss Yan, may I have a word with you? Okay, class, let's take a short break. Okay. What is happening? क्या वो complain करेंगे कि आपकी क्लास में बच्चे सो रहे हैं and you are like continuing to teach? Have you seen this list before? Which list? I am curious right now. ओके भाई, अभी तक सो रहे हैं, बताओ. Did I fall asleep? This is strange. Where is everybody? Oh, हाँ, actually, why am I alone right now? How come nobody is here? A typhoon. Oh, a tufan alert. There should not be any tufans this time of year. What's going on here? वैसे it's kind of typhoon type, but मैं इसको तूफान बोलूँगी guys. Be on हिंदी. सेविंग. ओके, ये क्या यार, आई का ऑप्शन आ रहा है यहाँ पे. दिस इज माई सीट. ओके, द चेयर्स आर प्रीटी अनकंफर्टेबल बट आई एम यूज्ड टू इट नाउ. ओके, वो कह रहा है कि चेयर्स अनकंफर्टेबल है. लेट्स वॉक. लेट्स ओपन द डोर. हमें यहाँ से बाहर निकलना है. कौन सी जगह जाते हैं? चलो इस जगह ही जाते हैं. राइट इज ऑलवेज राइट. रूम 203. दिस इज माई क्लास रूम. How did I sleep for so long? सोने के बाद पता थोड़ी चलता है. Oh, this is the same thing. And क्या यहाँ पे भी? Oh yeah. There is a door right here. Can I like open it? Yeah, I can. कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है, पता है. Wait. There is a note on the table. Okay. Give me that note. Add it to general. Where did Miss Win go? Where did Miss Win go? Whoever was passing this note in class was worried about Miss Yen. Is it Miss Win or Miss Yen? I guess it's Miss Yen. Miss Yen keeps calling in sick lately. That's weird. No kidding, man. I hate those other subs they send in. Oh, okay. School anthem. Our school anthem, it actually has a decent melody. The lyrics, however, feel like another one of those propagandas promoting patriotism. School mottos and rules. Okay, ठीक है, बहुत सारी चीज़ है इसके जनरल में, बट ऐसे रैंडम कुछ उठा के ऐसे कैसे जर्नल में ऐड कर रहे हो? जनरल क्यों बोल रही हूँ? जीके थोड़ी पढ़ रहा है. जर्नल. Okay, bro. Let's go here. Girls' restroom, I should not be going there. I should, yeah, definitely. If you are but I'm a girl, but of course, हमारा game character boy है. Hey, wait. This will be the boy. I don't have to use the restroom. Okay. Let's go upstairs. The front gate is not the way. Okay. Let's go downstairs then. वो front ऊपर हमें जाने ही नहीं दे रहा, सब क्या है ऊपर? Okay, let's do it, guys. Oh, they say Mr. Kayo sometimes sleeps in here. It's locked. I don't think anybody is in there. Okay, no one is there, I guess. Okay. कोई भी नहीं है तो हम भी नहीं जाएंगे. And wait, यार, there are too many hints. Mr. Kayo or Colonel Kayo, as we call him behind his back, is a military veteran. क्या ये? I'm struggling to say this word right now. I don't know why. Oh, okay. One is enough. This used to be a classroom. What do you mean used to be a classroom? Then they changed it to half storage and bedroom for maintenance worker Mr. Kayo. Kayo क्यों बोल रही हूँ मैं? वो cow. But why the heck they're changing everything for a whatever? We need to find this. Oh wait, no. पहले मुझे check करना है इधर क्या है. Why did I got so much scared by ये क्या लटका हुआ है? Let's यहाँ पे कुछ वेंट टाइप है, इसको करते हैं ओपन. आई डिड. ओके, तो यहाँ पे लाइट्स ऑन हो चुकी हैं. आइटम रिसीव्ड हैंड क्रैंक. ओके, थैंक यू. व्हाट द हैक इज दिस भाई? This is one dirty raincoat. Okay, that musty smell is horrifying. Yeah, let's get out of here then. Oh wait, यहाँ पे भी कुछ है. It was like some heater we used this last winter. Huddling around here and having a good time. Cool. Let's see आगे क्या होता है भाई. हाँ यार, don't freak me out. अभी तो कुछ ऐसा हुआ भी नहीं, मैं अभी से freak out हो गई हूँ. ठीक है ना, लेट्स सी. अब वेट यार. यार एक तो क्या दोबारा बोला, एक तो मैंने पढ़ा भी नहीं वो. द स्कूल फ्रंट गेट इज दिस वे. देयर शुड बी अ वे टू लिफ्ट द रोल अप डोर. ओ ये ऊपर उठाना है, ये चेक करना है मुझे. क्या इतना क्यों गाइस? नाउ इट्स नॉट द कंट्रोल, इट्स ट्रोलिंग मी. लेजिट ट्रोलिंग. Bro, can you not check that out? Wait, stop. Thank you. I think this is the control panel for the roll up door. So open it. Yeah, of course, bro. क्या करो अब? It's a mechanical winch. There are instructions on the cover. I think I need a hand crank. Oh, we have a hand crank. There you go. Okay. It's a mechanical winch. There are instructions. I think I need a hand crank. I just gave you, bro. Okay, भाई वो एक बार मैसेज भी नहीं कर रहा है अब. Okay, let's see. Let's go. हम बाहर जा रहे हैं finally. बड़ी छोटी सी गेम थी भाई. Let's go. भागो यार यहाँ से. Wait, we do have a journal, not general. Why am I struggling to say this word? Let's go. Wait, नीचे. Can't I go सीधा? Oh, there is no way सीधा. Okay, नीचे चलता है फिर. The shortest route back home is through the auditorium. Enter अब यार देखो, वैसे short routes are wrong, but I cannot go on that side and उधर जाऊंगी तो there is literally the school, तो I need to enter, I guess. अब से कुछ गलत मत दिखा देना. भूत. Oh my god, why is there a girl sitting over here? Hi, who are you, girl? Why are you like Is she dead? I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. No, I don't think so. Okay, मैं जा रही हूँ भाई, ऊपर चलता है. लेट्स गो, लेट्स चेक दिस गर्ल आउट. क्या हुआ है मैम आपको? आप ऑडिटोरियम में लाइक एक चेयर पे बैठ के बिल्कुल भूत की तरह सो रही है क्या? वेट 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 यार. हेलो. या एक्चुअली वेक अप, यू शुड नॉट बी हियर. एग्जैक्टली. लेट्स सी. Okay, she's alive. Where am I? You are like sleeping on the stage of the auditorium, girl. The auditorium. You are sleeping on the stage. Oh, pretty similar. Huh? School is cancelled because of a tufan is coming. Typhoon. I don't know यार, मैं इसको तूफान टाइफून क्या बोलूँ. I guess I'm gonna stick to both of the words. I just came from my classroom. You are the first person I have come across. Yeah, कोई और भी नहीं है स्कूल में. Weird. How did I? We should get going. It's getting dark in here. Okay. यही तो भूत नहीं है. And the rain is starting to pour. Wait. My necklace is gone. Oh no. What? Have you seen my necklace? No. I don't think so. How? I must have lost it somewhere. I'm not living without it. Arey yaar, come on. She wants. What do you want, ma'am? Please. Do you need help finding it? Um, would it be too much trouble? It would be. Let me leave. Well, I'm so sorry. I can't do that. Well, we will continually find it faster if we look together. Thank you then. What kind of necklace are you looking for? A deer shaped jade pendant tied to a red cord. Okay. Let's split up and search for it then. Okay, तो अब ना ऐसे गेम्स में क्या होता है, if you do anything, तो अगर कुछ ऐसा काम कर रहे हो ना तुम जिसमें कोई दो लोगों को साथ में करना हो, तो तुम्हें वो अकेला ही करना पड़ेगा. तो आई विल बी प्रोबेबली द वन जो ढूंढेगी आगा. थैंक्स, दैट मीन्स अ लॉट. आई मीन ढूंढेगा बिकॉज हम. लेट मी गो, लेट मी गो. कैसे उतरी यार मैं. व्हाट इज दिस? क्या ये नेकलेस है मैम का? दीदी जी आपका नेकलेस. व्हाई वुड आई फॉल asleep here? Some odds and ends and all military jacket. Nothing special here. Okay, ये gate. Oh, I can go in there. Okay. ये क्या है? Flagpoles and class signs. The stuff is used during our school assemblies. Okay, okay, okay. I figured that out. Wait, ये यहाँ क्या है भाई? There is an umbrella in the bucket. Take the umbrella. ले लेता है. जो horror games में ये होता है, जो भी मिले सब ले लो. Okay, broke का umbrella. हाँ. Wait, oh, I didn't check that out. Something in there. Oh, something is there, but I cannot reach it. How do I reach it? How do I reach it? Oh wait, ये तो नहीं लगेगा. I don't think so. अम्ब्रेला. ओके, अम्ब्रेला से तो मैं ले ही सकती हूँ यार. कम ऑन, लग जा. एक बार में कोई चीज लगती ही नहीं है भाई. Item received. Why did dear pendant? Oh, come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We found that out. वो कहाँ है? हेलो गर्ल. वेट, ये हमारा वेट कर रही थी, हम ढूंढ के लाएंगे. ये ए रुक जा. वी. ओ, हमारा नाम वी है. I mean, it's the pronunciation can be different because it's like a Japanese game. Is this a necklace? You found it. That's awesome. Thank you. Okay, Slay Queen. Where did you find it? In the storage room next to the stage. It seems like someone threw it into a vent in there. What? Why would it be in such a place? I do not know. Well, forget it, you find it anyways. Let's get going before the rain gets heavy. टूटा हुआ तो छाता है. Sure, sure. Let's go. मुझे जाना है घर पे. Let's go. At least we got the necklace. Oh, wait, there's a little notification. I got the mic, by the way. Wow, it's raining pretty hard already. Let's get out. It's too dangerous to stay here any longer. Let's go. Yeah, so let's go. Please, now do not speak anything. Wait, what's there? An aged banyan tree. It's probably been here a long time before people settled on this mountain. Okay. सलाई सलाई बोलने की आदत पड़ गई है मेरी. चलो भाई चलता है. ओके सेव हो रही है. कमो कमो क्या है यहाँ पे. The rocks the rock has been sitting here for a quite some time now. People say it fell from a small temple on the mountain. Okay. Nice. बस घर जाना है. Wait, अब ये क्या है? It's just security office by the main gate. I guess even the guard left for home. I mean, अब कोई ना चेक नहीं करेगा. How can they be sleeping in their school or university, whatever? Here is the campus exit. Let's go. Why can't I go? Hello? I'm glad you woke me up, or else I might have to spend the night in the school. My pleasure. We should get going. Yeah, we definitely should. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, that I cannot do anything. What? What happened, girl? दीदी क्या हो गया? My chair is ringing, guys. ऐसे कर रही हूँ तो भी आवाज कर रही है. वो that because it's okay. What? What happened? The bridge collapsed? Huh? No freaking way. Let's go. Oh my god. Oh god. I've watched this scene. Oh wow, why is the river red? खून की नदियाँ बह रही हैं. This looks like, it kind of looks like blood. Yeah, it definitely does. Blood? Girl, don't say that. Sorry, I was not thinking. But of course, yeah, that just look like that. What happened? Okay, let's calm down and think about it. There's got to be reasonable explanation. Why is it red? Even muddy water should not be this color. I think I know the cause of this. What? There are few factories located upstream. It's probably them dumping chemical waste into the river under cover of the typhoon. Are you sure? I've heard people talking about it. Perhaps you're right. The worst part is we don't have a way to go downhill now with the bridge gone. Tons of people cross this bridge every day. This bridge should have been better maintained. Guess we have to head back to school. It won't do us any good standing here in the middle of the rain. Yeah, भीग रहे हैं दोनों. Girl, true. What's your name? इसका कोई नाम नहीं है क्या? इसका नाम ही girl है. Don't worry, it's just a tufan. The school has enough supplies for us to get through the storm. All right. I guess I can trust you. You seem like a reliable person. Just trying to be optimistic. Let's get going then. Okay, let's go. But yeah, wait, let me tell you one thing. कि it could be a possible explanation कि factories सब कुछ कर रही हैं वो. But in horror game, it's definitely not a reasonable explanation. So, all wet and tired, what a day. Just rest up for now. We may have to spend the night here. Oh, wait. I have not officially thanked you for finding my necklace for me. Okay, yeah, say thank you. I'm Fang Ray Shen, a senior from Miss Yen's class. You can call me Ray. Oh, Miss Yen's तो हमें भी पढ़ाती है. How about you? What grade are you in? So you are my senior. Hello, senior Didi. Miss Fang, I am V Chung Tin. Oh my god. You don't have to be formal with me. It's a bit awkward. Just Ray is fine. Okay, Ray. Okay, Ray Didi. Normally, we don't go to the senior building. Yeah, we don't. I heard that it's a very competitive environment where everyone works their butt off studying. Oh, okay. I thought इसलिए नहीं जाते होंगे ऐसा कुछ सीनियर से बनती नहीं होगी. हाँ, it's not that awful. Some of us still do what we want. I do envy you for graduating. Soon you won't have to see Go Fong on a daily basis anymore. Who is Go Fong? Instructor by oh that person जो आ रहा था. I don't even dare call him by his whole name. Rumor says that he was a relentless killer during the war. I would not dare to do that in front of him either. We all are pretty terrified of him. Oh my god, this is not good. We avoid him any possible way we can. Ahem. Hey, you come here. Why are you hiding from me? Are you affiliated with the commies? Wow, that was perfect imitation, giving me goosebumps. Okay, वो I guess instructor भाई का वो था mimicry. हाँ, anyways, just hang on tight, buddy. It will be your turn to graduate next year. Okay. Life is a struggle. Hey, I know what we can do. What? मुझे लगा आप बोलेगा let's play Ludo. Let me go use that phone in the principal office, see if I can contact anybody or they can watch Doraemon. Then I will grab that heater in the storage room and a couple blanket from health center. That should be enough for us to get through the night. That's a well thought out plan. Do you need any help? Yeah, of course. I will be fine on my own. You should rest up here, Mrs. The man's got it under control. What do you mean? Why don't you need help? अकेला जाएगा कहीं गुम जाएगा उसको. हॉरर गेम्स देखते हैं लोगों को अकेला सुपर हीरो बनने की बहुत वो होती है कि हाँ मैं हूँ ना मैं जाऊंगा. Hold on there. Don't take me as one of those spoiled pampered girls. I'm probably more capable than most you boys. Yeah, there are some of like us. Sorry that came out of the wrong way. It's okay, you don't have to apologize. I know you were just trying to help. Okay, how about this? I'll go make the phone call, then we can find what we need together and then carry them back. Okay, alright, that sounds good. I will wait for you right here. Just hurry back. It's getting real dark in here. Okay, we will hurry. Then अभी भी अकेले ही जा रहे हैं हम डार्क के अंदर. बाहर हॉर्न्स बज रहे हैं तो उससे अलग डर लग रहा है मुझे. प्लीज 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 जो भी वी है प्लीज जस्ट डोंट. ओ वेट उधर जाना होगा ना. OMG the heck. What do I do? ये क्या हो गया? Oh my god. OMG. Oh. His footsteps echoed softly, invoking a trace of suspense in me. Okay, अब शायद हम as Ray खेल रहे हैं. Reality faded away as time stood still. I swallowed hard as the emptiness confined me. What's happening? Oh. I need to turn up the volume. Oh my. Oh shit. Holy. What is this, yaar? वी आर यू सीरियस यार, मैंने स्टार्टिंग में बोला था ये भूत है। आह OMG. Oh, she's not. Why? What happened? It looks like he's not breathing at all. Is he dead? Oh my god, no, I'm dead. But how? He was fine just a moment ago. How? यार भाई पता नहीं क्या हो गया था. That was something that coming. Tell me this is only a bad dream. We are gonna continue. Okay, Ray, take a deep breath. How can you do that? Okay, you can do that. I believe in you, girl. There is a notebook on the stage. Take it. It's V's journal. Why do I keep struggling while saying that word? Saw him looking through it earlier. Perhaps there are clues to what happened. Fortune-telling poem. A fortune-telling poem from the temple. Turn the wheel with the law of universe to reveal the path. Clue. Is this a clue? Okay. Where to go right now? We need to inspect that or something. No रे, वी को क्या हो गया? इस वाले रूम में जाए. It's too dark to see anything. ये कैंडल. Take the candle. You should take the candle with me. This should light the way. Yeah, this will definitely. अब इधर जाता है. I know this jacket. It's belong to Mr. Cow. Cow. Oh, a dead mouse. No wonder it smells so bad in here. We said my necklace was found in here. Can't ask him about the details now. And why was I sleeping on the stage? I'm clueless. Me too. Like literally. मेरा चश्मा भी उतार दिया मैंने. This is probably fine right now. ये क्या है? I used to admire the flag bearer. Thought it was the coolest job. Now I just want to get away from all this. I used to admire the flag. ठीक है. Let me go. Let's go. Wait, what's that? Why is there a grave here? The engravings on the tombstone were all rubbed off. Oh. When was this built? A shrine worshipping a few deities. I don't recognize any of them other than the earth god. What's that next to incense burner? Auditorium key. There is note under the key. What's this? Added to general. Facing the injured. Don't be scared when you see the injured. Just hold your breath and quietly walk away. How do I hold my breath? The trail down there has disappeared. Okay, how do you hold your breath here? Oh, wait. Leave that. Leave. No. थोड़ा सा उधर जा. Do that and भाग जल्दी. OMG Linjard, please do not kill me. Shit, everything is getting blurred. भागो. Shit. She's behind me. भागना अंदर. I'm safe. Oh, it was demo version. Okay, we need to buy the full version. So yeah guys, that was the Detention gameplay, demo version का gameplay था. I hope so you all love this gameplay and make sure to like and subscribe and comment your suggestion कि मुझे next game कौन सी खेलनी चाहिए, and I will see you all in my next video. तब तक के लिए till then take care and bye bye.